Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to make a video on my new tank bag, fitting it, and nice location. So we're here in the Grampians National Park. So beautiful. So we're just on the start of Halls Gap. Got a nice big holiday house here with all my family, so there's 14 of us here. So yeah, I thought I'd fit my new tank bag. So I went for a cheeky ride this morning, so I got the bike here. So did about 105 k's today, just looking around the Grampians, which is quite good. So I thought, yeah, might as well use some nice serenity out here and do a nice installed new tank bag. So currently I've been using the Rhino Walk harness, like a molly system harness, and these two sort of Evatac brand little molly bags. They've been great for a small bit of storage, but not great if I want to take things like this DJI Osmo gimbal phone holder I'm using right now, or a drone or something. So I went the Nelson Rigg bag. So it's a Nelson Rigg 4008, I think it is. Yeah, 4008 Hurricane Adventure, so the full waterproof one. And you know, obviously that nice shape to fit with these sort of tanks. So we'll pull it apart and have a bit of a look at it, and then we'll chuck it on. So I got it about 2 weeks ago, just been waiting to put it on. Thought I'd wait till I did this trip, and the ride I did today I was doing a bit more standing up, so I was able to see how these ones go. So I thought I'd wait and then see how this one goes. So it just comes all packed and sealed. So it holds about 8 litres, so it's 14 inches by 7.5 by 9.5. So we'll take the other one off and then chuck this one on. So it's obviously got a nice grippy, not going to scratch your paint. I chucked old stickers under here to protect the paint anyway. Good handoff when you take it off, and your nice big cover. Chuck your maps in here. So we've all seen this before, so we'll just chuck it on and see how it looks in the KLR. Alright, so that's the other one off and this one on. So obviously with the shape of these tanks, I put stickers on to stop the scratching, but as I thought, it's sort of the perfect shape on the bike. So this is my dad here, sitting here relaxing in the Grampians on the family holiday. But it fits perfect. So straight up and down, it'll go a little bit more forward than that, but it's not in your way for standing. You might brush against it slightly, but the way it's shaped is perfect. So it'll look the part on there, especially with the panniers on. So we'll chuck that on, put the straps on. It's just a standard. With KLR, it's easy. These come straight down to this perfect little spot here. And identical on the other side, and it hides my little battery tender hidden behind the strap. And then around the front, obviously just underneath here, and I crossed them. Well, we'll see how this one goes. The other one I crossed them so they went to opposing sides and stopped anything getting in the way. So that's the tank bag opened up. So obviously it's got a little divider, you can move sort of infinitely on the Velcro. Little spot up here, need to take pictures, send them in, obviously, for them promoting their stuff. You got a little pocket here to get to the inside, or you can put stuff in here, then you got a little inside slide down for this part so you can see through. And then this comes with instructions, comes with the straps, and obviously the other good thing with Nelson Rigg, if you don't know, full lifetime warranty. So any issues with it any time, they fully replace. So nice clear instructions for making sure you strap it on correctly. So we'll put it on now and then have a look where they're all cinched down. Okay, so it's all fitted up. Fits quite well any of these bags in the KLR, because you can sort of run it straight down here. It's hidden behind here, and then it wraps around a little bar just here, so it comes out quite good. And at the front, I end up going, it's a bit hard to see, around the bottom of the steering stem, sort of hidden underneath there, and wrap it opposed back each way. So that side comes across to this side, that side comes to that side. That way when you're turning, none of your, I'll get to focus, none of your risers or anything hit, because I found if you're going straight down, it would actually bind and touch when you're steering, but by crossing them over, it works quite good here. One goes that way, one goes that way. It keeps them away and gives you a bit of a gap here, so when you go to full lock, you can see nothing actually touches, and the same the opposite way. You go full lock, nothing touches. So yeah, so it looks quite good. Fits quite well. So it fits quite well, so when you're standing, you know, you sort of just rub against it, but not too much. So yeah, that's the Nelson Rigg Hurricane 4000 SE-4008 waterproof bag. So they're sort of like Apple phones. Everywhere is just $199 in Australia, so $200. Alright, so I'll leave it here. So if you like this video, feel free to hit the like and subscribe. Next things we've got some more nice CNC stuff to put on, but I've got to do an oil change for that. So I'll leave it here. Cheers, guys.